Hello, my name is Teresa Young. I am the Program and Outreach Specialist with Miami University Online and the Program Coordinator for the STEAM Studio Summer Day Camp. The STEAM Studio Day Camp is a summer program that focuses on STEM and STEAM principles for students of all abilities. We try to bring STEAM into every aspect of the camp, whether it's a culinary camp, whether it's a robotics camp, or whether it's a sports camp. The core mission is to make sure that STEAM opportunities are available for children in every vision. Our vision was to inspire tomorrow's youth into career fields that they may not seem possible through hands-on exploration here at the Miami University Regionals. The STEAM Studio curriculum varies every summer. We always offer a robotics camp, we always offer a camp about game creation, and our big focus lately has been increasing the number of women in STEAM and STEM fields, so we have offered the STEAM Horizons program for the past 3 summers. Within those camps, however, we have art components, we have mathematic components. Even in things such as our culinary chemistry program, we've built in a robotics part to that. We've built in different aerodynamic programs with our blast-off unit where campers have the opportunity to explore robotics as well as flight design. We really just search out ideas to make kids think beyond the walls of our camp program. The STEAM Studio's ultimate goal is to increase the number of those who go into STEAM professions, whether it's through vocational training or they decide to go with a traditional college route. We want them to know that there are opportunities out there using STEAM principles in all of our programs. In 2019, when the STEAM Studio program started, we started with 10 campers in our very first session. Today, we have served just in 2025, 430 campers in our programs, both in Middletown and in Hamilton. The support from the community has made these camps possible. The support of our staff make these camps fun. Miami University Regionals is providing opportunities for learning at an affordable price for those in the area. Being on campus, we've had campers even say, wow, I get to go to college this summer as part of our camp program. We bring in our admissions counselors to talk about the CCP and early college academy offered at the regionals. By the STEAM Studio being an open door, parents learn, campers learn, and the community really learns, growing the population of Miami University Regionals.